Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best air purifiers that are available on the market for their true quality.
I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video!
Starting at number 5, we have the Blueair Pure 211i Max Air Purifier. The Blueair Pure Max is an advanced air purifier designed for large spaces. It features HEPA silent technology that cleans air 83% faster while operating at 50% less noise, making it perfect for home use. You can enjoy cleaner air in just 12.5 minutes for smaller rooms and up to 3,048 square feet in an hour. It effectively removes 99.97% of airborne particles, including dust, mold, and pet dander, ensuring a healthier environment for you and your family. Plus, its smart app integration allows you to monitor air quality and control settings easily. Moving on at number 4, we have the LEVOIT Air Purifiers Vital 100S. LEVOIT Vital 100S is an air purifier that helps you sleep well, especially if you suffer from allergies or congestion. With the light detection feature, it automatically turns off display lights and limits auto mode to the quietest fan speeds when the room gets dark. In pet mode, it conserves energy while effectively trapping airborne pet fur and large particles through its wide U-shaped air inlet. The washable pre-filter helps the 3-stage filtration system last longer, and the H13 True HEPA filter, along with the high-efficiency activated carbon filter, traps pet dander, pollen, and neutralizes pet odors, fumes, and VOCs. You can create schedules and receive real-time air quality updates on the air purifier display or in the free VSync app. You can also control air purifier settings, set timers, create schedules, check filter life, and connect to third-party voice assistants with the app. If you or your family members have allergies to air pollution, or are smokers, or always have mold in your home, etc., choosing LEVOIT Vital 100S is a wise choice to improve these air pollution problems. At number 3, we have the ECOSELF HEPA 6.2 Air Purifier. The ECOSELF Air Purifier is designed to enhance your indoor air quality effortlessly. Its built-in air quality monitor keeps you informed in real time, automatically adjusting the purification process based on detected air quality levels. With a powerful filtration system, it refreshes spaces up to 1,400 square feet every 30 minutes, ensuring you breathe cleaner air. The 3-stage filtration effectively removes various airborne particles, creating a healthier environment. Plus, with a user-friendly control panel and a virtually silent sleep mode, you can customize your air purification experience without any disturbances. At number 2, we have the air purifier with true HEPA filter and LED touch panel. The FreAire air purifier is designed to effectively clean the air in rooms up to 600 square feet. It features a 3-stage filtration system, including a H13 True HEPA filter and an activated carbon filter, which can remove various pollutants from the air. The high-resolution LED touch panel displays PM2.5, gear, and timer, and the air quality monitoring system senses air quality and displays PM2.5 on the control panel. It also has a built-in essential oil sponge for aromatherapy diffusion. The air purifier runs quietly with 3 fan speeds and 6 timer settings, making it energy-saving. And finally, at number 1, we have the FreAire HEPA Air Purifier. The FreAire Air Purifier is designed to enhance your indoor air quality with its advanced 3-stage filtration system. It effectively removes smoke, pollen, pet dander, and odors, ensuring you breathe cleaner air. The built-in RGB lights not only purify the air but also create a calming ambiance in your space. With its efficient design, this purifier can refresh the air in a room up to 215 square feet 5 times per hour, providing a constant supply of fresh air. Plus, its quiet sleep mode allows you to enjoy clean air while minimizing noise for a restful night's sleep.
Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.